So check to ginakadyoan, mag-traction ka mo class. Dapat ang iyang posisyon, slight flexion, okay? Then, mag-traction na mo niya. Ano, okay, traction ng MCP. Traction ng MCP. Traction. Okay, so kung magpadalang ka mo pa mo na class, the smaller glide, magpa mo na dorsal glide. Mag-radial lang daw ha. Class stabilize, then pa mo na that's radial. Hindi ka mo mag-amuna Are you with me?
Yes.
Again, traction, then pa mo na. That's your ulnar glide. So never ka mo mag-amuna, that's na muna. Gets nyo? Okay, so here, mo muna dyan, class. Traction, excuse me, a little bit of flexion. Okay, traction, then radial. Traction, ulnar. Okay, let's go to your PIP.